Hello?
Look, I need you to get over here right now. This mouse is driving me crazy.
Oh, it's you!
Hello there. I brought the snacks.
I told him to stay out of my snacks, but does he listen? No. He just sits there mocking me.
I see.
They can't keep getting away with this. We have to stop them right there.
I agree. That's why I brought this. It should help us distract them.
Okay, when he comes out for the cheese, pull the rope hard.
Don't worry, I'm ready.
Get out, buddy. Total success.
Fascinating. The probability of escape is minimal.
Perhaps we should reconsider, friend. Keeping him caged doesn't feel right, especially when he's this upset.
Forgiveness can turn enemies into friends.
We did it! Hooray!
Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.